Introducing Upo Festival here in Canada. The longest and the heaviest Upo. Welcome to my channel, What's Tricking's channel.
Dahil pahigayan, ano? O ngayon, sino mas mabigat? Yung pa rin? Yung pa rin daw. We will see. We will see. See, kayo sa Ontario? Only here. Iba talaga tayo taga-Winnipeg.
Collapse yung table.
Eh, maski yung lamig dito sa Winnipeg, tayo lang ang kakaiba. Wow. Anong timba? 100 kilos over naman. Nilagyan ng ginto sa loob. Pero I'm telling you, this is really heavy. Even a small one.
27 pounds na.
Bigla na bali yung ulan. Alright? Agad!
Of this Upo Festival.
Alright, let's go! First one! Next!
Nahirapan silang mga school na.
Mawalang galing ako.
Palagay ko, nakalibig ko sa tingin.
Let's go, let's go! Oh, tingin ka na.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go!
Okay? Bakit siya naging female?
Hindi gumagana dyan yung hulsang eh.
Wholesome, yes, yeah, wholesome.
Kasi siguro ko kaya po meron extra ro sa gitna. Yun lang. Yung female, wala.
Walang kita.
Parang napatubo ni Christian.
Congratulations! We have third and second and first, but first we'd like
Share your seats and donate this to the senior. Pussy Pons.
7, 8. And the winner is Roberto Cielos.
Roberto!
naman sa upo eh.
17.50. The award goes to
Kuya, tumigil na.
Briggs Del Carina.
Good job, Rex. Grabe. Sige daw, sige daw.
Congratulations, Briggs! Bilisan mo rin. Upo kayo ha, upo. O, nakaupo na sila, hindi na kinaya. Okay. Nakaupo na.
Inches. The fourth place goes to Rodel Peralta.
Ronel Peralta!
2 inches. The winner is
Presti Evangelista Cuyas Auto. Pepon.
measuring 107 inches.
Wow.
For the
Also known as the Machete Upo.
and 24
Whoa.
inches.
Mataas ko sa basketball court yun ah.
The grand prize goes to
Dumandam na! Mataas pa kay Wembanyama ko.
Alright.
Shout out to Sis Fatima Macaraig, to Mahal Ginita de Mesa, to Jovelyn Candelera, out to Julita Barroza. Shout out to Sahya 1088. Shout out to Teresita Rivera. Shout out to Janice De La Cruz 969. Shout out to Sis Merlin Cuyos. Shout out to kapatid Good Vibes Canada 5321. Thank you so much po sa lahat na nagwa-watch ng aking channel. Thank you so much po sa inyong pag-subscribes, paki-likes lang po at bigyan ako ng comment. Thank you very much. God bless.